Here is how to secure your files on Google Drive so your documents, photos, and data stay private and protected. First, go to drive.google.com and log into your account. Find the file or folder you want to secure, then right-click and select Share. In the Sharing window, check if it's set to anyone with the link. If so, change it to Restricted, so only specific people can access it. Enter the email addresses of trusted users and assign them viewer, commenter, or editor access based on what they need. Next, click the gear icon in the sharing pop-up and uncheck viewers and commenters can see the option to download. Editors can change permissions. For even more security, go to Drive Settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right, then Settings, and enable offline access only when needed. Want to protect sensitive files with an extra layer? Use Google Workspace to enable features like data loss, prevention, encryption, and expiration datas. Finally, always keep your Google account secured with the two-step verification at myaccount.googles.com/security. And that's how to secure your files on Google Drive. Easy steps to keep your data safe and private. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.